If your Lincoln Nautilus keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection, you are not alone, and we have the fixes. Studies suggest that the vast majority of these connection drops start with simple hardware or sync conflicts. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps for your sync system. Start by inspecting your physical connection, as a loose cable or dirty port is the most common culprit. If hardware is fine, refresh the software handshake by removing the phone from sync and updating your iOS. Sometimes advanced settings like restricted USB access or outdated vehicle firmware can block the connection. Most users resolve this at home, but if the issue persists, you might need a dealer to check your APIM module. As you can see, the data points clearly toward cables and software as the primary zones for troubleshooting. A master reset is your final software step, but be warned that this wipes your saved radio presets and profiles. Keep these items in your glove box to rule out the basics before you ever head to the service department. Remember, start with the simple stuff before assuming there is a major failure with your electronics. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more Lincoln tips.